Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Shushana and I am a wife, a mom of 3, and a lifestyle vlogger. Now, if you love decorating on a budget, DIYs, seasonal decors, and lifestyle videos, then you've come to the right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to become a part of our family here on YouTube and set that bell notification to all so that you don't miss any of my episodes. I hope to see you soon. I cannot wait to get to meet you. And by the way, just to let you know, Jesus loves you and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to get to talk with you guys in the comment section. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Ciao. Hey fam, so welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today I am doing a painting video. It's gonna be a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna be doing today, but that I'm gonna be doing around the house. I got a little bit of laundry going on. I gotta do some painting. I gotta clean up, tidy up my living room a little bit because it's a little bit funky. And I also want to hang some new drapes for the summertime. Put up some, something with a little bit of color, but not too much. But that's what I'm going to be getting into today. I want to paint my TV console because it's a hotmess.com. And I've been wanting to do that for the longest, but just have not mustered up the want to. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get into that. Like I said, I have some laundry. I have to make my bed. And also, you guys, I am super excited. I'm actually going to be building my master bedroom closet. I know, insane. Like, what? I'm going to be building my master bedroom closet, and my son is going to be helping me because my husband is at work, so he can't help me. But my son is going to be helping me with all the framing and, all the things. And I'm showing him also how to do those type of things, DIYs, because I think as, a young man, you should have some type of, handyman skill under your belt. Under your belt. So I'm going to be teaching him how to do those things. Now, I am not a pro, okay? I'm not teaching anybody on here how to build a closet because I am still learning. I've just been going through YouTube videos and learning how to do this and how to do that. And, because these contractors out here, baby, they be wanting to charge you for a lung, okay? So went through some quotes, saw some quotes on the internet, and I was just like, I think if I learn, I can do this. So I told my husband, and he was like, babe, whatever you need, okay? So we got the wood, we got the sheetrock, we got the drywall screws, we got the putty, we got everything. Just need to apply my knowledge as much as I can. I am not a pro. I've never done anything this big. I've always just built like console tables and things, but it's probably the same way, just on a larger scale. So those are the things that I'm going to be getting into. We're not going to be doing the closet today in this video, but it's definitely coming up. I'm going to try to attack it this weekend to see if I can even do it, but it'll come. It's going to come within the near future before this month is out. So today we're just tackling the little things before we can get to the big things. So stay tuned. Please watch this video from beginning to end. It's sort of like a day in the life with me, but doing some stuff around the house. All right, so let's go ahead and get on into it. Oh, before we do, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Shushana. Welcome. I do lots of home decor, seasonal decorating. Once in a while, I throw in some lifestyle videos, day in the life videos, homemaking type thing, and cleaning as well. So if you like those type of content, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our family here. We have the most amazing family, okay? The most amazing community on this platform. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the console table, you guys. And as you can see, we are missing some knobs and, handles and things. We're going to take care of that. but it is in rough shape, you guys. And the reason being is because I used wall paint instead of using furniture paint. So today we're going to be using an alkyd, I believe that's what it's called, paint. And we're going to kind of mix it together with the Rust-Oleum paint, and hopefully that will do the job. But let's go ahead and get into painting this console, y'all.
Don't look back. My mama always used to say you'll find another. Endless love is coming, I'll be sure of that. But it's so hard, 'cause it's you, always on my mind. Yeah, it's you, taking all my time. Let it sink in. Haven't you been hurting enough? Give you all of my love, but you don't seem to care. Put my arms around you, but your heart isn't there. Don't tell me we're fine, lying to yourself. It's too late to meet up, we are too far apart. It's too late, can't you see I can't trust you no more. Gotta get over you, 'cause I'm more in the dark. It's too late to meet up, too late to meet up. Too late to meet up. Don't go there, 'cause you can't finish what you start. I can't keep up. You're holding back, and then you let it go too far. Just stay away. But it's you, always on my mind. Yeah, it's you, taking up my time and let it sink in. Haven't I been hurting enough? Give you all of my love, but you don't seem to care. Put my arms around you, but your heart isn't there. Don't tell me we're fine, lying to yourself. It's too late to meet up, we are too far apart. You're too late, can't you see I can't trust you no more. Gotta get over you, 'cause I'm all in the dark. It's too late to meet up, too late to meet up, too late to meet up. Gotta get over you, 'cause I'm all in the dark. It's too late to meet up, too late to meet up.
Hey guys, so it's such a nice day out. I decided to stop everything that I was doing and just come out and take a walk, get some vitamin D in, because I'm feeling a little bit stressed and a little bit anxious. So I just decided to just take a walk, and then when I'm done, I'll go back and finish all the things that I need to finish. But right now, just enjoying this outside, this day filled with sun, and it feels like summer out here. I think it's like 80 degrees, and I have a long sleeve shirt on, but that's okay. If I sweat, that means I'm burning a lot of calories. But I'm just walking because it helps to keep my mind at ease and, you know, to get rid of that anxiousness and, you know, all the things that walking does. So, you know, sometimes things happen in life and some things are out of your control, and you just feel like life is choking you a bit. And sometimes I feel that way, and in order to remedy that, I just pray, but I go outside if the weather permits, And I just either sit on the porch, walk, you know, or film a video. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I just had to stop and take a break. I did finish painting the dresser. I just have to now add on the hardware, and then after that I have to do laundry, get those out of the way, and well, I have to fold laundry, and then after I fold laundry I have to wash it. So yeah, I still do have some things to do. Not a lot, but I do have a few things to do. But for the most part, I did what I really needed to do today, which was painting that beautiful dresser, and it turned out amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see it in its totality with the hardware on. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the color. By the way, the color that I used, I mixed it together, but I'll link it so that you guys will know what colors I use. And I just mixed a lot of the creamy taupey color with maybe like a half a cup of black to get that taupey gray. It's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. So with the bronze or brass, whatever it is, hardware on there, it's gonna look so beautiful. So I'm excited about it. Very excited about it. So I'm gonna keep walking, probably do another lap, and then I'm gonna get back finishing what I need to finish, get editing with this video, and have it ready so you guys can see it tomorrow, which you're watching it today. But I'm gonna go edit afterwards as well. I don't have to make dinner because dinner is already made, so they're just having leftovers tonight, which is fine. So I will see you guys in the next clip. If you guys haven't walked today, go ahead and do your walking. Get outside if your weather is beautiful and enjoy the weather. Do some walking and get some exercise in because it's good for you. I read somewhere where it says an hour a day, 30 minutes a day of walking or running, it adds 3 years to your life. So get out there and live, y'all. Get out there and live. So I will see you guys in the next clip.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Okay guys, so these are the drapes that I am wanting to put up. I think that they are so pretty, so beautiful, and they are definitely good for the summer. But I just don't know if it will, you know, mesh well with my aesthetic that I have now. I am really, really loving these drapes. I feel like they're neutral enough for the color palette that I have going on. And so I don't know, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is my color palette right here. And I don't really know if these will go so well. So I think what I'm going to do is just hold off on these for now. I might just put them somewhere else. I'm not really sure, but I think I'm going to hold off on them and then maybe order some linen curtains for the summertime, something that's more lighter and, you know, more suitable for my space. But I'm going to hold off on these, though they are beautiful. I'm going to hold off on these. I don't know. I probably put them in my bedroom or one of my girls' bedrooms or something, but we'll try to figure out something else. So I am going to now, we'll figure out something else. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I didn't get a chance to get to laundry. You guys saw the mountain of laundry that I have to fold. So I will put that in my next video. But I didn't get a chance to fold it, but y'all saw what it is. And I didn't get a chance to hang my curtains because I'm still kind of thinking whether I want to take these curtains down and put the other ones up. I don't know. I'm still kind of going between the two because these curtains kind of suit my aesthetics a little bit more, and it's neutral enough to, you know, for everything to play and marry and mesh. So I think I'm gonna leave it up for a little bit longer, and maybe I'm gonna go ahead and order some new drapes that is more neutral, maybe some linen oatmeal, you know, colored drapes. We'll see. But that is definitely what I want to attack soon. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the video. I will see you guys in my next episode. And I hope that you guys have a great day. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
But guess I need more of you. You say